Karen was enjoying his holidays in the valley with his family, hoping that paid holidays are best for the relaxation. On payday, Karen expected to receive his full salary. Little did he know, he received a huge deficit in the salary credited. He went to the HR for clarification. HR team kept repeating that it is as per the organization policies. Frustrated by the replies, Karan asked to share the policy. So, he was provided with all the related policies and told to go through them and return if he finds any counter. Karan went through the pile of policies. He thought of developing an application where he could upload all documents and get answers within few clicks. His teammate introduced him to new AWS service, Amazon Q, a solution for all his problems. Amazon Q being solution for everyone, where anyone can upload policies without any need of the coding background. Karan uploaded the policies on the application and found the solution he was looking for. He returned to HR with counter policy, and his salary was successfully credited back.